All right, it is Thursday. It is November 5th. And let's go to the market action today. Another crazy day in the market, as always. All right, let's look at the top gainers. We'll start with that. ALTM, Altus Midstream Company. This is a great long dips, dips, dips. That is a perfect long if you can get this. It's a high volume, a higher price stock. I mean, look at it, 17, 19, keeps jumping. And all these dips off today's open, you have your 1320 EMA, 1320 EMA, and this went long. This was 194% today. Flowed about 3.61 million on trade ideas. So yeah, this was a great long. Small caps came back today. The market's still crazy hot as far as the action. Excuse me. So look at this move here today. Just fill this little gap. This is all the way up towards 30. Pretty insane. So yeah, this is a clean move here. You got here, triangle here, triangle here, triangle. That's a classic move to learn from. The dips on this were great. This wasn't just a pump. So that's something to look at on that. ONCT, Internal Therapeutics, 175 all the way to 4 plus. Pure momentum here. Look at this. Momentum, momentum. Came back down, eventually bounced, and came back up a little bit past that high. This is a good long too all day. Can't really complain about that in momentum. This was 124%, 13 million float. Here is a HOFV, Hall of Fame Resort. Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment Company. This had the big move pre-market. See, this is like a halfway up move, then really went up high. 7 a.m. dropped. A lot of people might have get in here for the break, but you have your 20 above your 13. So this has got to cross over, and it didn't. Came back to 3 and bounced all the way up to 6 and then faded down. Excuse me. So right here, this little move right here from 3 to 350, and you can put your line in here, 325, then bounced hard up. And you had, looks like a halt, and then you got really crazy up here. But this was a good long. See, once it has to break this line now, you know, right here, people get in too early. They thought it was going to break, but see, you have to wrap under. Get that wrap under before you go up. Or see this is above. And then this went straight to the moon here. Great move. HOFV. TH. And then a list. Looking for, I don't like them. They're ACVs or Aurora Cannabis. Yeah, 520 all the way to 640. So pot sector is hot because of the passing a lot of legislation to make it legal in a lot of places, or medically at least. Here's KIXN. This is a former runner. And you can draw your line right here. See right here, you draw it right down right here. This comes up, and this broke through that. This was coming down, down, and eventually broke up. Didn't hold though. This is all pre-market. You know, sketchy volume here at the best, and then really shot up, held your 1320 EMA, and really dropped hard. So, and these are tougher plays. I wouldn't play this here. You know, it's early pre-market, very early. Here, Resi, it's a straight line up. XP, EV, XPeng. Yeah, this moved to 31 all the way to 36.50. Look at this. You draw your line right over here, 32.50, and it's really broke up. JKS Solar. Look at this move on the daily. This came all the way back, and you're seeing like where's it going? It's oversold here. Eventually, this was going to bounce. You didn't know slowly or how strong, but look at that move. Still oversold here. This could go way back to 90 now. You have your move right up here, 64. And look at this up off to 73. Look at the line here. Crazy long. Tilray, choppiness a little bit. Kern, not bad over 270. There's PIX. Big candle here. This is very oversold still. This is at a 12. This is a good sign here. Came up and found support right at 660. Oh, excuse me, I'm so tired. The energy. And NDM over 310 all the way to 390. So low, pretty good long. Here's APVO. Volume sort of decreased a little bit. Look how big it is. Look at this move, 3 days, from 7 to 26. Yeah, fill the gap here to 25 plus. Incredible long here. Move up. See how every chart's different. And like to read every chart. Like this came up, came back down to 15, and really exploded up to 24. Incredible long. NDP. Silver was really on fire today. Show your line on this and silver. It's been in like a big, it's like a big flag. It wants to break out. GRWG growth generation. I think this is a pot play. Yeah, 2025 all the way up to 22.75. That's a nice long there. GoPro. There's JNUG 132, 144. It's a really good long here. Look at this. Boom. A lot of good longs today. Going down the list. All right, that's pretty good for the list. So today's gainers, a lot of mixed stocks. You have like one, I'm looking 3, 6, 15, 20, 30s, 20, a lot of higher price too. The small caps came back with HOFV, ONCT, ALTM. Really came back strong today, with the market being strong as well. So yeah, today was a good comeback. Maybe small caps are going to start coming back now. So that's it for that. Take a look at the VIX. VIX came all the way back here. It was high as number 40. Look at this cross here. That's usually a change of direction. Maybe we bounce from here. You draw a line here. It is touching. It still can go down here. See this cross on divergence down here? We're still going down. Well, in stochastics, going straight down actually. See weekly, 4 hour getting oversold. So look how far away from your 1320 EMA. This could bounce. This could bounce $5 up at that point again. UVXY. This is coming all the way back down through 16. And this is getting oversold. So I can take this out now. Take this out. So this is, look at that straight down now. That's in the 4 hour, very oversold down here. So this could come up again. On the VIX and volatility UVXY, this is oversold. It could stay down here. See here, bounce here, bounce here. And, you know, it could bounce back up though. Eventually it will, so let's give it a SPY. You know, the Dow Jones finished up 542, S&P plus 67, NASDAQ plus 300, small caps plus 42. VIX was down 27.58, minus 673%. Commodities, gold 1949 plus 53.70, silver 25.45, crude 38.53. It was down 1.8%. So, you know, we've been running up strong after the election here. We still don't have a winner. Still don't really have a winner yet. This was down to the 100-day, 100-day. Now, if you draw this line, are we going to break this now? So here, here. We just crossed over on MACD. Yeah, it's sort of getting almost extended here, but not completely. We could go up a little bit more. You see the weekly. Weekly, we're trying to cross. See, we might cross back up and then bounce back down. On the 4-hour. Let's see right here. 4-hour, look how we're extended here. We're at 94 on stochastics. And that's getting very, very high up on stochastics. 2-hour, starting to fade a little bit. Let's see the 1-hour. Draw your line here. See this on stochastics? Still staying above though, very strong. But it's crossing over in histogram a little bit. So this is running high. I mean, we're testing that high. We could break it. Sort of getting late in the move here. We're really moved up strong the last 4 days. Look at these gaps. So I'm not sure we have that much room left. And then what are we going to do again? Go up here and then bounce back again. It looks like it will happen there. And here's the NASDAQ. Look at these gap ups. You don't want to buy here. It's way too crazy. It could go a little bit more, but that's pretty insane. Dow Jones, right there. You see this too. It looks like you're going to test that high again. We'll see. I think we get another pullback. They're running way too hot right now, all these. If you go to S-Dow, look at this move up here. Here's the cross. You can see these moves. There's like a double bottom, moved up slightly above. Now we're going back down to that 16. We're going to do like a triple bottom and come up again. We'll see this is straight down. It's getting oversold. So we could get a bounce in them too. SQQQ, same thing going down. TZA, same thing. SOX, look at it, straight down. And this is broke through here. This is, look at this gap, really gap hard down. All right, UDAO. This is a W pattern like here, here, then it wants to break through here. This could happen too. It could do this, really break up hard. Like this, possible too. There's still room to run, but it's at 63. Could do this mountain again or stay up. So it did that in August with a really strong run. We could stay up. We'll have to see. SPXL, TQQQ. This is gapping. Look how this is gapping up so strong. When anything gaps up, see, it's not like a move up. Move up right here. See these moves? I mean, it was strong, but this is a gap. When you gap up too fast, then you pull back hard. It's way overdone. There's TNA. That's a trend line. There's FAS. SOX. So look at these gaps. 1, 2, 3, huge move up. Here's defense here. This still has room to run. See, this is straight over red, your stochastics. It can come up to almost 12 maybe. Still room on that. Here's DIN oversold. This is coming back to that line. It looks like this wants to come back to like 65. Let's get over that 50-day right there. Now, straight down channel. Up. Filled-in candle. This is still going up too. There's still room to run, it looks like. You know, we could probably test that 63 level maybe. We'll see on now.